Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll walk through how to install and start using the DataBridge app in HubSpot. With DataBridge, you can embed external content directly into HubSpot records. Step 1. Go to the HubSpot Marketplace and search for DataBridge. Click Install. You'll land on the step-by-step setup guide, where you can quickly learn how to get started. Once installed, go to Settings. Under Connected Apps, you'll already see DataBridge listed. Step 3. To start using the app, open any record. You should complete this step for every type of record where you want to view DataBridge. In the top right corner, click Customize. Then select Default View. In the middle section, under Overview, add a new card from Card Library. DataBridge. Save your changes, and that's it. DataBridge is now available inside your HubSpot records.